Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to split voices on keyboard using PSR E463 for this very tutorial. Yamaha PSR E463. So first off, is on grand piano. This is your default, that is grand piano. We are following. So the first thing you have to do is know the voices you're going to split on your left and the one that will be on your right. So let's just do something like a bass on the left and the jazz guitar on the right. So let's use solo sign. So to do that, you click and hold your split, you see, and hold it to now show you split voices. So sign is on 5, 6, 5. No. Yeah, 5, 6, 8. You see? You have selected it, but you haven't activated it. Next thing you're going to do is you click on function here and use your category to get the S octave, S dot octave. That means split octave. Put your octave on 0. See that you press 0 or you just press this arrow button, go to 0. You understand? You can use this arrow button to go up and this one down. So let's put it on 0. So the next one is, let's check for S volume. See what I'm clicking here? Use your S volume. That is your split volume. It's like I passed it. Stay with me. Yeah, I passed it again. See, S volume is on 80. Let me put it on 120 just for the tutorial. So I've set it now. To activate it, I will now click here once. Bam. It's now activated. So another thing you have to know is the split points where you want it to stop. Is for example, it started here. So see where it stopped. So this, your right starts from here. So to control it where it stopped, you look for split point. Use the category, look for split point S. You will see it. Look for split point. This is very easy. Yes, you see split PNT. That's split point. Why you want it to stop? So it's on 60 and that 60 is here. That 60 is your C here. So if you increase it, let me say we increase it to 61, to now be here. 62, to now come here. You get it? If you reduce it, same thing. If you reduce it to something like 58, you see? You control where it stops. It stops here. 59, it stopped here. 60, it stops here. So if you now want to select your main voice, you click on the voice, then let's use something like jazz guitar is on 44. So your main voice is here already. Let's just increase the M volume. Look for M volume. Let's put it on 127. It started here. You understand? See, this is very easy. If you want to split your left, see how I split it now? My left is my bass, and my right is my jazz guitar. Hope you guys learned something from this. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, drop your feedbacks. Love you guys. God bless.